Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Now, you'll see next to me, I'm stood next to a rather large tree. I'll bring you in closer so you can have a look at it. This is actually a gift from someone. I'll go into that in a minute, who it was. But yeah, it's a silver birch, and it's probably, it's not on the floor, but if I put it on the floor, you can see just how big it is. So what's that? 5 foot? Maybe 5.5 foot? Something like that. But yeah, I'll bring you in, like I said, and you can have a closer look at it. I'll do that now. This tree came from Daz at Meadowview Bonsai. I was expecting this tree, to be honest, not to be as tall as it was, but he did message me and say he had a silver birch spare from the forest he did. I don't know if you've seen that, but I'll put a link up here somewhere to that video. Yeah, so I was expecting that, but he also sent me a box of goodies. Now, there's some pretty exciting stuff in here. So firstly, we've got some quite strong gauge wire, which I'll be using on another project. Excuse me. So I've got 2 lots of that. Different colours, different gauges. We've got some camo vec tape, which will come in handy for another project in the future. A root rake and pointy, I suppose that's like a chopstick of sorts, which will also come in handy. Some little leaf pruners, which are awesome. They're very cool. But best thing of all is coming. Put them away a minute. Best thing of all is greenwood root shears with a little snap that everybody loves. So yeah, complete surprise those. I was not expecting them. So Daz at Meadowview Bonsai, thanks again for all of that stuff. Obviously I will all be using it in the future, and keep your eyes peeled for what I do with this. This is going to be quite interesting. I've already got an idea what I want to do with it. And it's probably not what you all think or what you would have planned for it. Yeah, so stick around for that one. And as always, I know it's only a short one, but I just thought I'd have to show you and give Daz a shout out. Thanks for watching. As always, don't forget to give me a like, sub and a share. And I will catch you when I get on my next project.